Hello! Today I will present you a beautiful table clock. It's a Japanese clock. You see the name? It's Garant. You see here. The name is Garant. So, this clock is from 60s, plastic and chromed. This clock has 2 jewels. You see here. On the back, you can see here Japan. See, has a very beautiful specific bell, specific to the 60s. Here is the button for the bell. We push in this moment. Just a moment. Stop. Okay. Even too many years have passed, it is in very good condition. You see, it's a beautiful, beautiful clock. Japanese style. Okay. That's all. See you next time.